Hey guys, it's Sergio.
And Sheila.
And we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
Okay, so now that we've done that, let's talk about where we are today. Today we are in the Midway Hollow neighborhood of Dallas, Texas. We're only 5 minutes away from Love Field Airport, so you may hear some airplanes flying by. But from downtown, we're about 20 minutes and 35 minutes from DFW International Airport. But Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, it's built in 2023 by Austin Taylor Luxury Homes. It's a 5-bedroom, 4.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 3,615 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,440,000, which is $398 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.16 acre lot, which is roughly 7,000 square feet.
Thank you, Sheila, for sharing all the specs on this one. But let me remind you that in this highly competitive real estate market, it's so important who you choose to represent you when selling or buying a home. So when you choose to partner with us, you're choosing 10 years of market expertise, or you're choosing the #1 luxury broker in Dallas, and a proven winning team. But enough about that, the reason why we're all here. Let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're in the market to sell your house for top dollar in today's market. Maybe you're relocating to the Dallas area. Well, we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.